Hello to all my friends out there. So tonight I'm making some pork burritos. I bought these pork ribs for $2 and something cents, 74 cents at Albertsons, 30% off. So if you do that all the time, every fourth piece of meat you buy is free. So I dusted the pork chops with some flour and I browned them in oil, and then I baked them at 350, and they should be done. And so now I should be able to cut them in some nice little bite-sized pieces easily. They should basically be falling apart. Looks like they are. You could pull them apart. You don't have to cut them. But this is delicious. And this is going to make a really, really good pork burrito. Really good. I will show you. Look at this. Yummy. These are one of the most delicious burritos you can ever. I put a lot of pepper on them. I like a lot of pepper. I like to taste the pepper, but the pepper got stuck in the back of my throat. Okay, now, let me show you. So I dusted my pork chops with flour, and I put garlic, parsley, salt, crushed red pepper, and let's see what else, onions, and I baked them. So okay, now I have some salsa. I bought this stuff at Walmart. It is Taco Bell. I like this one. It could be any kind of green salsa. I was going to get the cans, but this stuff is very yummy. And I want to pour some on my pork. And then I have some green olives, and I want to put them on my pork. And then I want to heat my pork up a little bit. It's good already. All right, now, let me give you a shot of this. So, you know, this is pretty much going to be very, very tasty. Okay. Okay, let's see if this thing is still going. My iCloud is full. Okay, so now I will switch these. I need to do a couple things. Okay, what this is some Rotel tomatoes that I blended up in the blender. I have some hot sauce. I have some sour cream. I have some Parmesan cheese. And let's see, what else do I have? Oh, this is the important thing I need. I have some of this Mexican cheese, but it could be any kind of cheese. And this is a tasty beverage I made, homemade, in my crystal glass. Yummy. I made Limeade. Let me give you the recipe. I made half a batch. This would be the whole batch. 1 cup sugar, 1 cup lime juice or lemon juice, 8 cups water, and then I chilled that in the refrigerator. And then I poured half a tablespoon lime juice on top. Oh, and I found another chef, Poor Man's Chicken Fried Steak Chaplin's Classics. And he's got a whole bunch of videos on cooking. And the other one that I'm watching, if you guys didn't see yesterday, was Marco Pierre White. That's a good one too. Okay, now let's see. I want to heat my tortillas. They're already pretty hot, but I want to heat them in a little oil. And I didn't take my oil. Oh, here it is. Okay, just a tiny bit. You don't have to. You can heat them in a dry pan, but I think they just taste a little yummier with a little bit of oil. I want to make 2 of these. I have more than enough meat. So I hope everybody is cooking themselves a halfway decent dinner tonight. Let's see if my yummy. Oh, this is good, you guys. Okay, now okay, so now I want to put a little of my, owie, where's my thing? I'm in a state of disorder because my phone is acting off. I'm sure any of you with channels can understand. Okay, so I have a little pork on there. I just have the tiniest amount of oil. So now I want to put a couple drops of hot sauce. You know, if you were going to eat any kind of pork, usually you have a little hot sauce to your taste, you know. Yummy. And then I want a little of this Mexican cheese on there as well. And it crumbles all by itself. You don't need too much, you just need a little bit. Okay, now the other one is ready. And these are going to make some nice hefty burritos. So I wanted to tell you guys, yesterday my son was, you know, at the house and the dog came and got him. The dog is like the child. And he goes and he gets Mikey, come see, the coyotes are back. And if you would like to see these coyotes, go to my Instagram, Rhoda Stone Instagram. But the coyotes were so bad because they were after the neighbor's aging dog, you know. So my son was able to chase them off. It's very worrisome because sometimes wolves run with those coyotes. Yummy. Pork burritos. Okay, now I want to make a little salad. I want to show you guys a really good salad. You know when you need a little something to go with your... I bought this Caesar salad kit because that is really good with some with some chicken. There's all kinds of things you can use with those. So this is a really easy dinner if you get pork on sale. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be buying all my meat on sale, pretty much. Okay, so here's my 2 burritos. These are yummy. And I'll have a little bit of salad, not too much. And that is what the Rotel tomatoes is good for. And then what I like to put on top of that is, where is it? Oh, there it is. It comes with Parmesan cheese, but I like this kind on this kind of salad. This is really tasty and it isn't expensive. And you don't need salad dressing. All right, let me show. Oh, and let me put a little sour cream. Even though there's cheese in the burritos, a little sour cream is very, very yummy on the side. Okay, you guys, here's the pork burrito. I use the pictures. I know it's goofy, but let me make sure this thing is... You can't believe how evil my phone has been. Okay, and then I want to show you now, what is this? This was crazy. This is the desserts I made last night. The cookie brownies. So we'll have... Here's my cute little decorative plate. I search high and low in thrift stores for those. So yummy. These are really good the next day. I'm going to make these. I got that at Dollar Tree. Okay, so one of the followers told me soap. So I've been cleaning my makeup brushes with that, and it really works. The stuff is hard to get off. Also a mention about my jewelry. Okay, these are really good. I don't know if you can see them. My brother is a jeweler, and he actually, these are hand strung. See these beautiful knots? You have to notice I'm going to get this kind of knots on your jewelry. And then when I first went to the swap meet, these were like the first things I would sell off the table. And I would sell all of the black beads that I could get. And then that I really love are these black dial watches, and they can be had very, very cheap at the thrift store. Okay, now let me taste this. Maybe it tastes really, really terrible. That I doubt. You guys gotta make this. This is a good one. And it is not expensive. I'll try to take another bite to show you. Oh, there's actually a hair. Yes, well, it's my hair. It's really good with that hot sauce, and it's really, really tender. See how I can tear it apart? This limeade is really, really delicious with this pork burrito. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys tomorrow.